Welcome to AZ Hair, a verified Vietnamese hair supplier with both office and factory in Vietnam. We specialize in raw Vietnamese hair, collected directly from donors and processed in-house by experienced workers. Our product range includes weft bundles, tape-in extensions, closures, frontals, wigs, and bulk hair, all made from 100% natural human hair. What makes us different? We own our production line, ensuring strict quality control at every step. We offer stable prices, flexible MOQ, and custom branding support. We respond fast and support customers worldwide with a long-term mindset. At AZ Hair, we don't just follow trends, we study them. Each month, we research market feedback to upgrade our products and systems. We believe great partnerships are built on trust, consistency, and clear communication. As a verified supplier on Alibaba, we welcome you to visit our Hanoi office or Nam Dinh factory anytime for full transparency. Let's build a reliable and successful business relationship, starting with real quality from raw Vietnamese hair. Feel free to contact us. AZ Hair is ready to be your trusted hair partner from Vietnam.